adjourned for the summer after a whirlwind week. But before it did, the House of Commons and the Senate quietly passed major changes to the Pest Control Products Act. The new legislation gives Prime Minister Mark Carney's cabinet the ability to greenlight the use of any pesticide if it's in the interest of economic or national food security. That includes pesticides that Health Canada has deemed unsafe. For obvious reasons, that has scientists and public health experts concerned, including Senator Rosa Galvez. Ms. Galvez is an independent senator and an expert on pollution and human health. We reached her in Quebec City.
Senator, what are the words you're using to describe this legislation?
It's an omnibus bill with some provisions that...
The fuck is up with people?
It's okay, honey. It's okay, baby.
I'll let you handle it.
I'm not handling it, honey.
Fucking motherfucker. Fucking...
But their packs are so heavy that they can't really make any progress. They end up being riddled with Turkish bullets. It's a terrible time to see it. Private Rocket, there were 25 in my boat. Hear our poor chums moaning to see the poor boys dead in the water.
Be a new precedent that would destroy fair use. Guess what? Even when I jokingly prefaced it, every single one of those people that were in defense of these lawsuits turned around and started railing on me, saying, "Oh my God."
What is this dumb fuck doing?
He's signaling he wants to go to the house. There's nobody behind you.
It's a red light, asshole.
And that's fucking crazy. Is he in that much of a hurry?
Apparently.
He's handicapped.
And you're gonna turn left in front of
this guy. Don't get too close to him. That's fucking...
or something. I can't read the rest of it.
Whoa!
I potencjał i zamień teorię na praktykę.
That boy. Yeah, we're not fucking with that again. Holy shit, bro. Oh my god, bro. Whew. Good? Alright. Fuck. Alright, bro.
Sitting in a natural sitting position on the couch and looking at the way the blood had run down the front of the body, strongly suggests that either she had been talking to the offender when she was shot, expecting to kill, or the offender walked straight into the room, shot her, and then walked straight out again. That person has then
Just like they lose out. Holy shit, accident.
What the heck? Oh my.
What the fuck? You okay? Yeah, we're good. Hold on, I'm just gonna call someone.